Physicians, today in your 1-minute physician vitality session, we are covering one mistake you want to avoid when it comes to how you approach your workout. And I see people make mistakes where they put expectations on what a workout should be versus what it could actually be. And what it could actually be is a lot of different things, depending on how much time you have, what your goals are, what your needs are, what your lifestyle's like. Their day and their schedule gets thrown around a bit. An operation takes longer than they expected. Clinic goes a little bit longer than they thought it would. Before you know it, you don't have 45 minutes, you don't have 60 minutes, you don't have 90 minutes. People will do, since they don't have the amount of time they think they should dedicate to going to the gym, they just don't go. Produces lackluster results. So my best piece of advice, that you can do a lot in a little time. I talked about last week about implementing strength density sets. There's nothing better that you could do where you could get a good amount of volume of training in, benefit your mental health, your energy levels, how you show up for your spouse, for your kids, for your patients. Avoid putting the expectations on what a workout should look like. Start executing with the time that you do have. When you're in there, give 100% of whatever your 100% is that day.